Omusajja ono ne bwe nnali sinaba kufuna maka gange yantwala n'ensula ewuwe. Omusajja ono yafuuka kitange ne taata wa yali avudde mu bulamu bw'ensi eno yasigala nga kitange. Omusajja ono oluyimba olwandeeta mu music industry nalukolera mu studio ye ku bwereere. Nsaba mbanjulire yasooka kubeera baaba n'afuuka taata wange n'afuuka ghetto president kati muyita my president. Nsaba ajja ababuuzeeko tumale twolekere endongo maaso.
Thank you. Congratulations, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much for supporting Mickey, for supporting Ugandan music, and for turning up today. Banange Jemuli, Aba Western Uganda Murio, Aba Nyankore Murio, Tikure Bakandeve Mikono yanyu. Mebare munonga kumusha jikamiki waini. Nomanya na marobwire bwinji omulyankore oruganda rwanje narwebwa. Rona narwebwa. Nakambori nyankore rwinji munonga. Tinkwishuka rugandiji. Konkamwe bare munonga rizoba kwisha. Thank you very much. Aba Northern Uganda mulio. Apoyo mateka, apoyo. Dan Magic, bamwe microphone dan Magic. Bakwe microphone nyindo gamba oruchori kandi oruhindure oruto mu Ruganda. Sure. Apoyo matek, apoyo tutwara.
Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Apoyo olubino.
Mwebale nnyo okujja.
Apoyo olubino mi isho me Mickey Wine.
Mwebale nnyo okujja mu show ya Mickey Wine.
Apoyo me Mara.
Mwebale nnyo okumwagala.
Amar tutwara.
Abagala nnyo.
Thank you very much. Wanage tubagala nnyo baganda baffe. Mwebale nnyo kwagala music wa Uganda. Ate it can be better than this. We are going to make it better than this. Tulina abastar abakabi. I want to salute all the stars that we have. Stars like King Saha, stars like Matthias Warukaga, stars like Dax Vibes. I'm so proud of you, my brother, and all our young brothers. Thank you, mwebale butatuswaza. Ze sobola kuperforminga kati sobola kola show. Nena ngendi mubi mwana. The baddest in this industry. You see me? But still, when they stopped Bobby Wine, many other artists showed up. When they banned Bobby Wine, King Saha rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Dax Vibes rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Mickey Wine rose. Nga Yesu yatugamba nti bwe munaasirisa abantu abo amayinja gajja kwogerera waggulu. Kati amayinja googera. Mwebale nnyo mweyongere okwagira industry ye Uganda. We're going to make this industry better, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, tuli mu season ya kulonda, right? Look at me, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine having a president that looks like me. So just imagine that. Just imagine. For a minute, pause. For a minute, pause. Look at the man in our state house. And look at me. Look at the ideas. Look at the generation. None of you has ever seen another president in your life. That is supposed to make you shine. Temulabanga for President Mulala. Tulimba artist wano naye Mickey yandibadde afuna sente nyingi nnyo on the live streams, all that is supposed to be your revenue. But we have no copyright law. You understand? So we are going to change that. Be sure, have no doubt. I'm going to be president. If not tomorrow, the other day. If not the other day, I'm not going to change this country. Omulangira wasajja nsanyuse nnyo okulabako mukwano gwange bene mutuuseko okwagala kwaffe banaye mwebale nnyo okwagala industry ye Uganda. Nkagamba muno nga n'amaraka gange gasiisikala tikubaasa kweshongora sisobola na kuyimba kati naye mwebale nnyo n'abaana b'ekisoro abangisoro muliyo murakoze cyane kutwakira turabashaka cyane. Thank you very much. We love you. To all our leaders, Chairman Inyas is there, Mayor Nubian Lee is there, and one of the most disciplined leaders that we have, and our incoming Mayor, Ronald Nsubuga Balimwezo. We respect you, we love you. To all our brothers and sisters, the Londa Baba sister Bange, abalungi abali wano, waliwo ne sister waffe gwempenye ekitiibwa bamuyita Namagembe twamutuma n'abaana baffe. We love you, we respect you. To all our children, to Uganda, thank you very much. Sigenda bayimbiramu olwaleero, let me leave it to the young ones. Ne Mukama bakuume kikina mwe. Yeah. You know where I'm with?